Hey guys, I'm Jay, the owner of Jay's Gardening, and today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and replace your old lawnmower wheels. These tend to wear out after a while, and then it's harder to push your mower either through the grass, or sometimes there's pavers or anything the way you have to get to the back. It's a little harder to do, especially when you have a mower that has a transmission as well. The wheels will slide and they won't grab. So we're going to go ahead and take this wheel off here from the front. Use some of our tools here. First of all, a ratchet and a size 12 millimeter bolt. I'm gonna go ahead and put that up there. Go ahead and loosen that. All right. There we go. You notice this one's already wearing down, so it's indications that it should be replaced fairly soon. Usually when you buy your new one, some of them will come with your new bolt and some of them will not. Always make sure there's a washer there. Go ahead and place your new bolt there instead of your old one. Just go ahead and line it up. Same thing, you can go ahead and hand tighten this to start. Once you got it nice and on there, go ahead and take your tool. And once it's reached its max right there, go ahead and do it 1/3 of the way with your hand tight. Put your wheel there. And there you are.